hose is
at least
there.
3 feet away from furniture and bedding and other combustibles.
Why they're there? It's
Using
still
extension
hot.
cords.
All the poop
That
in the water.
extension cord must be UL rated.
Charlie Graham with People's
Is it
Gas
still
says
warm
using
there?
a stovetop
Water's warmer in here.
heating could not only start a
It's not
fire,
frozen,
but
right?
could lead
Yeah.
to carbon monoxide
Still
poisoning.
swimming.
Make sure you have working carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. Understand the dangers and symptoms of carbon
And it's a
monoxide.
good, safe place for
Carbon
him.
monoxide poisoning is suspected while you're not at the house.
Graham also suggests that people remove icicles if they're dripping on gas meters, and the fire department asks that people clear snow around hydrants. Mike Krauser, 105.9 WBBM.
Capitol Hill, the Senate's passed a $1.7 trillion bill to finance federal agencies through September.
Oh, I forgot the smell. It's so big. Right?
Pregnant workers, students, and so much more. It's one of the most significant packages for women across America, including protections for pregnant workers, part of the momnibus, and new moms who will now get 1 year of
Policeman,
postpartum
my love.
care.